Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the Planet Her TikTok trend, and I will show you a quick tutorial on how to use it. So here I am on my camera, so I will just go back really quickly. So if you want to find this filter, you can either go to the camera like I was before, so click on the plus icon and go to effects. And here at trending, as you can see, we have this color customizer. So it's the third option for me. And if you don't find it here, you can go back and go to discover. And here you have to search Planet Her. So you can choose a TikTok from here, click on it, then click on the color customizer filter. And you can add this to favorites. I already added. And you can go back and you can also go to the original sound, click on it and add this to favorites. So from here you can click to use the sound. And now you can make your Planet Her TikTok. So I'll show you really quickly how to do it. You just have to press on the record button just for the first seconds and then click again on it. So I stop my sound because it is copyrighted. Then now you can choose a color. So I will choose the blue one, and you have to again press on the record button. Then again press on it to stop it, choose another color. And again press on it and choose another color. So if you want to see my TikTok, you can go to my TikTok account. I will show you to you in a second. Then from here you can add some text. You can add what color would I be on Planet Her. So click on text, write what color would I be on Planet Her. Then click on the text and set the duration. So click on that. And here you have to set the duration just a few seconds where the filter is not on. So just here, then click OK. Then you can also have to add some text and say blue for the blue color. Place the text wherever you want. Click on it, set the duration just for the blue part. Then click the check mark, and you have to also click text for the pink part or purple. So this is the pink part. Click on the check mark, click next. And here you have to describe your video, and you can say what would I look like on Planet Her. Then click post. So if you want to see my video, you can go right here to this TikTok account. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If it did, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.